So this is salt. This is salt, cooking salt. If you can't find cooking salt over there, you can use sea salt. This is 41 pieces of jatropha leaf, and this is 41 pieces of fertility leaves, and this is sugar. Sugar. You need 41 pieces of this sugar. You blend this sugar. You understand? These two leaves, you put it in a big plastic rubber. You squeeze it very well. You collect the water, throw the leaf. Don't have anything to do with the leaf. Then add this powder, this sugar powder. Add it to it with 1 spoon of sea salt or natural salt. Add it to it. Then put all this water in a plastic rubber. Add it to your bathing water every night for 7 days. By the grace of Almighty God, we will surely share me a good testimony.